Yo, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to get iOS 12 on any device running iOS 11 before anyone else. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go in the link in the description. So once you're there, you're gonna be led to Safari. You're gonna press Allow. And you're going to press install, and you just press agree, install, and then you press restart. Now it will restart and you have to go back into software update and update your device. Now you have to go to settings, general, software update. Once you're there, you're going to press download and install. So now we have to wait until it finishes downloading. So once it does finish downloading, you're going to want to press install now. And let it verify the update. And now the installing process will begin. So now the install process is over, and let it restart into the new update. So right there you have it. So now you need to unlock your phone. You need to press continue, and you go through these steps. And there you have it, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy your new update.